How to hard reset Infinix Smart 8 HD. Step 1. To start, power off your mobile phone by pressing and holding the power key. Step 2. As the second step, simultaneously press the power key and volume up. Step 3. Release the power key once the Infinix logo appears, and continue holding only the volume up until the ZOS image appears.